Our new, immersive and interactive mobile app, Ibadat, aims to negate geographical barriers and give an unprecedented divine and sacred experience directly to the followers of Islam right at their fingertips. The app hosts a mix of diverse content and some first-of-its-kind services, including online ziyarat from Ajmer Sharif and from the Holy Land of Mecca, Mannat services at Ajmer Sharif, online donations, Chaddar, flower contributions and food offering services. The app also serves as an e-commerce platform for devotional products and services that are highly utilized by the believers of Islam.